Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Breed Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about the 5 I's of leadership success and life transformation series. So are you ready to learn about the 5 I's of leadership success and life transformation series? The first I in the 5 I stands for being intellectual. Second I, be intelligent. Third is be introspective. Fourth is always say I am possible. Fifth is be innovative. So the first I is being intellectual. Leaders are always intellectual, always curious, and they make smarter decisions, right? So think wisely before taking any decision and think twice before taking any decision. Think logically whether that decision is reasonable, is correct or not, is right or not. Act reasonably. Think all the cons and the pros before going into the unknown territories or taking those big decisions, right? Whether it is in your life, whether it is in your work, whether it is professional success, or whether it is in the personal approaches. This is how you can transform and change your life. Your one decision can cost you a big change of your life. So always be ready to make that change happen. Become the game changer in your life. Be intellectual and take wise decisions. So the decisions which are taken logically with proper thinking and proper analysis of pros and cons is called intellectual thinking, and that is what is required here. All right. So are you ready to write it down for yourself? Like, are you an intellectual person? Do you think twice before taking any action? And if you're ready, then go to the time for action section and write it down for yourself. Second I stands for being intelligent. So a leader is always intelligent, right? But the leader is also an individual, right? So being intelligent means your actions and decisions are taken with complete focus and proper details with facts and reason to justify the results, so that you can take the quick actions and decisions when needed, when required. Like they always say, how do you become intelligent? By continuously working and consistently working on your actions. So there is an excellent saying which says, strong mind discuss ideas, average mind discuss events, poor mind or weak minds discuss people. So choose wisely what you talk about, and unless it is required in your profession. If you can control your mind, you can control your destiny. Become intelligent enough to work on your ideas, your work, on your things, and be strong enough to take those quick decisions yourself, so that you're not lagging behind and you're not talking bullshit. You're always focusing on ideas, on innovations. So that is how, and you're always learning. That is how you learn more and you become successful. Alright, so are you ready to write it down for yourself? What actions you're going to take to become intelligent in everything you do and ultimately achieve your success? Right. Go to the time for action section without wasting time and write it down for yourself, how you will become intelligent and what steps you are going to take. Next is being introspective. Being introspective in your actions and your words, in your commitments, in your promises. No matter what you're doing, try to build and create the product to reach its highest quality without any compromise on the quality. Right, so later we can analyze and introspect the results and the feedbacks on the same. Be introspective in evaluating your things, your decisions, your conclusions, your efficiency, your productivity, and how to grow above and beyond that to set the parameters. All right. So you have to introspect what you are doing, analyze whether that is the right approach or not. If not, take the corrective action and just fix it there and then. All right. So we generally do this in the technical teams. We do say it, like fixing a bug or fixing an error quickly so that we can reach our ultimate result set, or we can reach our generate our particular reports to clients. All right. So being introspective in everything you do, whether you have certain goals to reach, like in daily life you can set your milestones for your health routines, for your daily work routines as well, even reaching your offices as well. So be introspective, what works for you, what doesn't work. All right, analyze what happened each day, what went good, what went wrong, and how you can correct it and how you can improve on the same. All right, so that makes you introspective and you set your life on autopilot mode and you can achieve that success, because consistency makes it do that, right? Next is always say I am possible. Never ever say that you're not possible. Always say I am possible, I can do this, I can achieve this. So it's not impossible. The letter itself says I am possible. The leaders always say I am possible, I'll figure it out. Whether if the current situation or the work is even not working, then still they had a positive mindset and they always say, okay, we'll figure it out, I'll figure it out, I am possible. The leader always says I am possible, I'm going to do that, I'm going to reach that peak, I'm going to reach and attain that success, I'm going to attain that success, I'm going to reach my ultimate potential. That is the only thing which is needed. As a leader, you stand as an influencer to a lot of other people who are looking up to you for your actions and for your guidelines. So you should always aim higher and say that I'm possible. So are you ready to write it down for yourself how you are going to achieve your targets, and always say I am possible in spite of being in a negative situation or circumstances, right? Write it down for yourself without wasting much time. Go to the time for action section and write your 5 I's. Next, last but not the least, which stands as being innovative. Be innovative in your approaches. Try to find new solutions. Try to have new ideas. Try to present new ideas. Try to venture into new territories. And I always emphasize on learning new things, evolving and growing rapidly from your existing self to your new self, from what you have learned previously to what you can learn more in the future, in order to grow exponentially at a rapid pace. Slowly and gradually, it is going to take time, but then do it for yourself, not for anybody else. And know to evolve as a leader and to transform your life in all spheres of your life. Try to learn, and learn. Alright? So be innovative, be curious, be eager to learn more. Be curious to learn more and try to implement those new things in your daily life for achieving successes. Be it technology, be it any new idea, be it your daily thoughts or your habits to improve your life, or your eating habits, or your daily routines. Take a walk, take a jog, whatever you can do to improve your life, to improve your work, to improve your personal and professional settings, to make yourself successful, right? So be intellectual, be intelligent, be introspective, always say I'm possible, and be innovative. These are my 5 I's, and hope these are going to help you out, and you can connect with me for more insights on leadership training, coaching and mentoring. Do like, follow, share and connect for more information on the same. Have a nice day. See you later. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.